The world of mask. Let's dive into the awesome world of masks. We're going on an adventure, outside, inside, and all around.
Did you know that all over the world, there are demon masks? Some are spooky, but guess what? There are also protective demons that keep us safe.
Whoa, demons that protect us? That's so cool. We usually see Setsuban masks, but today, let's get creative and make totally different masks.
Oh, that sounds like something Picasso would do, right? Let's make a brand new mask together.
First, I'm going to make a window in the mask for my eyes. Let's go. Take a piece of paper and fold it in half. Now, grab the scissors and cut the line to cut. Next, cut the inside part horizontally, and when you unfold it, boom, you've got yourself a window. Cool. You can leave the mask flat, but if you want a popping out mask like this one, take a square piece of paper, and carefully make a diagonal cut from one corner. Cut off all 4 corners, then grab some tape and get ready. Fold the corners in a bit, overlap them, and use the tape to hold them in place. Now you've got a 3D mask that stands out. Time to decorate. I'm going to use some colorful origami paper to make it awesome. I'll cut it with scissors and stick it with tape. Look, it's cool. Next time, we're going to add some fangs and horns. Cut out a sharp, triangle shape for a fang. And when you stick it on your head, tardier, you've got a horn. Get creative with your markers. Draw some crazy whiskers, teeth, or whatever you like. And just like that, your mask is complete. Put it on and transform into something amazing. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. Bye.